Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering services 2018 pre-mechanical engineering paper. Question number 76 is consider the following statements. 1. In case of a thin spherical shell of diameter d and thickness t subjected to internal pressure P, the principal stresses at any point equal to PD by 40. 2. In case of thin cylinder, the hoop stress is determined assuming it to be uniform across the thickness of the cylinder. 3. In thick cylinders, the hoop stress is not uniform across the thickness but it varies from maximum value at the inner circumference to the minimum value at the outer circumference. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 1 and 3 only, option C 2 and 3 only, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here, in case of thin spherical vessel, the circumferential stress and longitudinal stress are same, that is PD, the formula is PD by 4. So first statement is correct. And in case of thin cylindrical shell, the sigma theta or circumferential stress is PD by 2t. So which is constant across the thickness of the cylinder. So this statement is second statement is also correct. So first statement is sigma theta in case of spherical vessel PD by 40, and second statement is in case thin cylinder in case of thin cylinder the hoop stress is uniform. So that is correct. So second statement is correct. The third statement is in case is about thick cylinder. So in case of thick cylinder, sigma theta is A plus B by R here, where A and B being the constant and R is the radius. So if we take R is equal to R minimum, then sigma theta is will be maximum because R is in denominator. Okay, so sigma theta will be sigma theta max, and if we take R maximum, then sigma theta will be sigma theta minimum. So the third statement, that is in the thick cylinder, hoop stresses is not uniform across the thickness but varies from a maximum value at the inner circumference to a minimum value at the outer circumference is correct. So all of these statements are correct. So answer is option B, 1, 2 and 3.